Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to monitor internet activity using GlassWire in Windows. GlassWire is a network monitoring tool that lets you see which apps, websites or the devices are using your internet connection in real time. By using this monitoring features, you can detect unusual activity, track bandwidth usage and improve security. So first what you can do is open to your GlassWire. Make sure you already have installed your GlassWire in your Windows computer. You can search by this GlassWire as well. Wait for a few seconds while it loads and begin monitoring your internet. So over here you can view the real-time internet activity. When the GlassWire opens, you will see the graph tab by the default here. It's your active apps, your Microsoft Edge, your Google Chrome. Move your cursor over the graph timeline to see the detailed activity at any specific time over here. And over here you can also monitor which apps are using the internet. You can click to this usage tab over here. You can select to this. You can simply double click onto this in order to see the usage as well. Select a time range such as last 5 minutes over here, which are active currently. And this section shows all the devices connected to your network, such as your active apps or any other devices as well. Over here this section also shows all the devices connected to your network, such as phones, laptop or the smart devices. You can monitor if any unknown device connected to your network. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.